Good morning, friends. Today is September 30th, 2020, and we are going to get started with Number Corner. First, make sure your paper looks like this. Here I have the date on the top, and my paper is labeled Number Corner. Press pause until you are done with this. We are first going to get started with the calendar. Today is our last day in September. So for number 1 on your paper, you are going to make a prediction about what you see behind the card 30. So if I'm looking at that, I'm thinking about the following things. I'm thinking about what color will it be? What number will I see? And how will the number be shown? Those are the 3 things I am thinking about. Please press pause while you write your predictions. Alrighty, now that you've made your predictions, I want to turn the card over. How many of you predicted a blue card, a card with double 10 frames, and a card showing the number 30? Here I see 10 black, 10 red, and another 10 black, so I can count by tens. 10, 20, 30 to make 30. Alrighty, friends. Now you're going to write number 2 on your paper. And today is the 13th day that we've been in school. Please put a box around that 13, and I want you to represent the number 13. So if I'm representing the number 13, I can use it by can I show hands anymore now that I'm above 10? I can no longer do that because I don't have more than 10 fingers. So I could use 10 frames, addition equations, subtraction equations, tally marks, coins. So try showing in multiple ways. In first grade, our target is I can show numbers in different ways. And your goal is to show numbers in at least 3 different ways. Please press pause while you are doing that. Alrighty, friends, we're going to review the coins we've been learning about. So here we go. Penny. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Again, penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. All right, and now we're going to go over the nickel. So when I'm looking at the nickel is worth 5 cents. Alrighty, here we go. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, I know that. Again, nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, I know that. Awesome job, friends. So that is all we have for Number Corner today. You will now be completing the rest of your work. Have a great day.